All right, everyone. So this is now 2 days after the crash on my BMW. So now that it's kind of sort of light out and not as snowy, we can assess the damage better. So as you see, our whole taillight is smashed out. Reverse light, turn signal, I believe maybe this is a parking light and a brake light or something, I don't know. Whatever those are, brake lights or parking lights, they don't work. So that turn signal might still work. It looks fairly intact. But here's what we got going on here. So you got me here. Got a nice little dent there. So that could probably just be sanded and filled and painted. I'll have to do my best blending work. Now, when we get down here is where we got a little bit more nasty stuff going on, because as you can see, we got a gap here now. It isn't present on this side. That's because he fucking hit my shit and pushed my shit in. So this is going to have to get sanded and shot with some paint real quick before this rust causes a problem. So at my next convenient, not snowy day off, I'm going to have to pull this whole thing out. Try to sand this down or something and just shoot it with a little bit of paint, any paint, to keep it where it is. And then we have the bumper. So unfortunately, he got my trim piece, and now that I look at it, he cracked this part too. So I'm going to have to replace this trim and that one, because he got it right at the fucking edge. Go figure. Chrome still looks intact, but he happened to get it right here. Right at the edge. So this replacement, this one that comes around here, this is all one piece. That needs replaced. I don't know how bad or if he even got the steel reinforcement. So we got a crack all the way, almost all the way through the bumper, down here all the way up, and then this big ass hole. But really the hole's the trim, so we got the crack here, which is over here also. So I don't know, I don't think I can fill this bumper and save it, maybe. But it might just be less hassle to replace it. And then just transplant all the innards and whatever pieces of my trim survived onto the new one. So the car's not totaled, I don't think, but it is going to be a royal pain in my ass to fix this, and I don't even know if I can do the body work on this. This might actually have to be taken to a body shop and let those fuckers deal with it, because I don't know how I can even get to this. I need one of those little dealios you drill in and slide hammer it out. I don't know. I can't do body work. Never done it. I do repairs and maintenance. That's what I do. But, I don't know. We'll see. She'll be back together eventually. She'll just be looking like shit for now until I sue asshole into the Stone Age. So, alright. I guess that's about it for the update. So we'll have more videos to come. My camber arms from, where's that place that got invaded by Germany? Poland? Yeah, my camber arms from Poland finally came in, so we'll be able to set the camber and the toe proper, get the alignment again, and throw my concrete weights in there, and then that'll be done, and then we'll have to do the body work, or I'll do the turn signal, I guess, first. We'll drive around wrecked for a while, I guess, and then eventually we'll make it back over to that E38, because that never-ending project still got stuff going on with it. So that's it for now, guys. Just a quick update. So thanks for watching. Peace.